One of the downsides of working in the industry, working in the crypto industry, is that family and friends and gym mates, they are always seems to find me for advice. Hey Anthony, this coin, it's going to do 1000x. Should I buy it? What should I do? Is Bitcoin going up? So they're always asking for my advice, and especially this meme coin hype that is going around. And they just ask me for coins that's going to explode. And the only thing that I actually say to them as advice is, guys, stay away from all these meme coins. Because even if you are lucky, right? Even if you are lucky to catch the bottom and you do 1000x, you are still gonna lose. And in this video, I'm going to explain you everything you need to know so you're not gonna lose any money. My name is Anthony and I'm the maker of Market Monkey, which is a real-time order flow liquidity analysis tool. You can check the link down in the description. I have 8 years of experience working for market makers exchanges. You can Google me, and this channel is basically made so I can basically teach you everything, the core concepts of the market, so you can make better trading decisions. No BS, only real talk. So if you like the videos that I'm providing to you guys, hey, do me a favor and smash the sub button and join my Discord community. All right, so basically, yes, rug pulls, meme coins, let's get into this. So basically, these meme coins, how do they work? So some kind of a random dude, little Timmy, basically decides to spin up a new coin on Ethereum or Solana. It's all the same shenanigans, and the coin, they're gonna start here, and the price is doing these small little things, and before you know, the coin is going to make a big way up to the top, right? That's the thing. So the thing is that what people are trying to do, people are trying to spot when this coin is going to go up, right? And they basically buy in, and then of course you need to ride the wave up, and at a certain point of time, hopefully you're going to do, I'm going to make it 1000x. 1000x. You are here, right? Here at the top. Unfortunately, most of the time, guys, people, they don't buy here, they don't buy here, and they don't buy here, but they buy here, right? They buy at the top. That's basically what happens all the time. But let's say you are lucky. Let's say you are a pro. You are a tiger, a lion, the king of the jungle, and you basically bought here. And now you made 1000x. And now you have basically $1 million worth of a shitcoin. Yes, lucky you. Actually not. You are screwed. And I'm going to say why. So basically, especially if you're a beginner, right? If you're a beginner, you're lucky. You're basically going to get wrecked even though you have 1 million of whatever coin it's going to be. So what's the problem? So basically, you need to understand that these coins here, and I highly recommend, because I talked about this concept, well, the internal concept of the markets in the previous video, and I'm going to link it somewhere here down below, down above. So I highly recommend watching that video so you can understand what's going on. But I'm going to give a summary here. At a certain point of time, you are here, right? And what's going to happen is that the people that are basically creating this coin, or other people that basically are in here, they think, okay, now it's time to sell. And what the idiots do is they basically sell everything at once, right? And what you need to understand, unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and top market cap coins, there is not a lot of liquidity, right? There is, in the previous video, apples. There are not enough apples in the order books, right, on the market. So you need to sell, right? You have 1 million. You have 1 million of coin X in US dollars. Now you need to, what you gonna do with this 1 million coins? Nothing. It's useless, right? You cannot do nothing. You can, in Europe, you cannot buy a car. If you buy a car, the tax people, they're gonna ring on your door. I swear to God, you cannot do anything with crypto basically, right? That's unfortunately, right? So you need to transfer this, convert this to US dollars. So you need to sell your coins. Yeah, and that's the problem, because the books are very thin. There are not enough liquidity. So what's going to happen is people are going to sell, and there is nobody here to catch. There is nobody that's willing to buy into your sales. What's going to happen is everybody sells their million or whatever, right? And the price will basically just completely crash. The market is fucked up. And before you know, we are back here. So even though you are lucky here with this 1 million, you're still going to lose, because you're never, ever, ever in your life going to sell your 1 million worth of coins to US dollars, you're never going to basically on a one-on-one base convert your coins to US dollars because these markets are illiquid, right? And I'm going to explain why, and I'm stick to the video till the end because I'm also going to explain you a little bit of a trick. So if you're lucky, how you can actually convert your million in the best way possible without crashing the market, right? So, okay, what did I explain in the previous video? We're going to divide the market in two. At top, we're going to look at the market as a price table, right? So I'm going to draw this shitcoin into price tables, right? Actually, to be honest, we're going to do it like here, right? We're going to draw price tables in here, right? This is a price table here, here. To be honest, I'm so sorry. Just like this. We're going to draw price tables here. And these are basically buyers, right? Now, because we are below price are the buyers, above price are the sellers. So we are here. Or buy table, right? And let's just convert the shitcoin to apples again, just for the sake of simplicity, right? So we're gonna say, okay, here is 1, 2, 3 apples, and I'm gonna draw some apples here. Yeah, you see that? Apples. And in the previous video, I explained how price moves, right? And this is the exact same concept. You are here. People have, at this point in time, here, at the top of the price, they have, let's say, 10,000 apples that they need to sell. And they're going to sell all these apples at once, right? What's going to happen is, okay, 3 apples here, 3 apples here for this price, 4 apples here. You see what's happening? There are way less apples on the exchange in the order books. So what's going to happen is that you're never ever going to convert your 1 million of shitcoins into US dollars for the price it actually is here, right? You're going to have something what is called slippage. And believe it or not, in these kind of meme coins, the slippage is just unreal because the books are very thin. They are very illiquid. What's going to happen is that you're going to eat all the liquidity. Boom, rated, boom, wrecked, bleed, on the street. Damn. And then, before you know, price just completely crashes. And by the end of the day, even though you bought here, you did a 100x, you have 1 million at this point in time, 1 day later, you have, I don't know, $10,000. Something like that, because you basically slippaged your way into wreckedness, right? And that's basically what rug pulls do, right? People create a coin, drive up the price, people are gambling, there's a lot of liquidity going in, here to the top. Everybody wants to sell, everybody wants to get out, everybody sells at the same time, books are illiquid, market crashes, the game is over, right? Oh, crypto is such a bad space to be in. No, that's not true. That's because people are not educated, right? So my best advice is to stay away from these meme coins because you're never, ever going to get rich, okay? Never. Trust me, don't do it, right? If you want to be in the trading industry, do it as a professional, do it with the right tools, the right setups, the right risk and reward, bankroll management, stick to the plan, do it for a very long time, and profits will come in. You know what I mean? Not with these things. So now we need to ask ourselves, okay, let's redraw it here. Right? I'm going to give you a tip. So meme coin works for every coin. And we are here. We did a 1000x. Okay, GG, good job, Jonathan. Now our job is to basically transfer or 1 million, convert, sell, or 1 million worth of Shiba Inu, Trump coin, Fort coin, whatever coin you wanna gamble on. You need to convert that to USD. So what did we learn? We learned that the books are very thin, right? Thin books. Thin. Not thick, but thin. Thin books, right? Now we need to basically find a way to convert that without crashing the market, right? So that basically means we need to sell a little portion of our liquidity at a certain point in time. We cannot sell it all at once. We can basically make some kind of an algorithm with Python or whatever. And if you don't know what Python is, that's already the problem. You are not technical. If you are not technical and you did a 100x, you can already forget it. Game is over, right? I'm so sorry, but you're wrecked already. So you need to find a technical person. So you can basically sell a portion of your gains each and every, depends on the coin. You need to check that each and every, actually you need to check the order books. You need to be on the order books to check, okay, there's liquidity, I can sell. You see that it's already very, very problematic. So what do the professionals do? The professionals, they use some kind of mechanics. They have their own algorithms, right? But if you want to be if I want to, something that is used in the industry is, for example, a VWAP. A VWAP, right? People explain that to you, right? All these trading gurus, VWAP, they have no fucking clue what it is. It's basically the volume weighted average price. And what it does is like some kind of if you want to know about these indicators, I can make some videos about that. Let me know in the comments. But basically a VWAP is some kind of an indicator, and you can use the VWAP or the TWAP. It's the same thing, which is a time weighted average price, TWAP. And you can use these indicators to basically offload based on VWAP and TWAP price levels, right? That's something what you can do. That's something that's used for dollar buy averaging in and all that stuff. But that's a decent strategy to offload and sell at these price levels, the TWAP, VWAP price levels. But your best bet is basically to create custom algorithms that check the order books and sell a portion of your liquidity based on the liquidity that's sitting at specific price levels. And after a couple days, maybe weeks, depends on the liquidity of the coin, you finally have sold an average of your portion into USD. Of course, you're going to have slippage. Of course, you're not going to have a one-on-one conversion between your 1 million coin into USD, but it will be better than just crashing the market. Again, the problem with these meme coins is that you do not have time to use VWAP, TWAP, or custom algorithms to basically offset, to basically convert your million shitcoins into USD, because the market will already crash after a day or after an hour, so you're lost. So basically, to summarize this yapping video, meme coins will always get you wrecked, no matter if you are lucky and have 1000x and you're at the top and now, what? Or you basically bought the top. So you're always going to lose, guys, right? So that's basically it. If you want to learn more about trading concepts, about the real truth, about the real things the markets do, hey, consider following my channel. Jump into my Discord community. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe. I love you. Peace out.